Flood watch. Finally relaying CTP's alert.
Flood watch in effect through this night.
I wouldn't be surprised if KIH does get one later.
Dothan, Franklin, Fulton, Huntington, Midland, Montour, Northern Center, Northern Clinton, Northern Lycoming, Northumberland, Perry, Otter, Inchill, Snyder, Somerset, Southern Center, Southern Clinton, Southern Lycoming, Sullivan, Tioga, Union, and York. When? Late tonight. Impact. Creeks and streams may rise out of the bank. Flooding may occur in forward drainage and urban neighborhoods. Additional details. Very heavy rainfall is expected today from numerous slow-moving thunderstorms. The rain and already wet ground in many locations will cause all streets and streams to flood quickly. Monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
Here we go! Here we go, everybody!
The following is a flood watch statement.
WNG is not gone yet.
Effect from Monday afternoon through Monday evening. What? Flash flooding.
Unless they failed.
Rainfall is possible. Where? Portions of New Jersey, including the following areas.
Showers and thunderstorms likely until midnight, then a chance of showers.
Including the following areas. Berks, Delaware, Eastern Chester, Eastern Montgomery.
Should be only one.
Philadelphia, Upper Bucks, Western Chester, and Western Montgomery. Additional details. Slow-moving showers and thunderstorms capable of heavy rain are likely Monday afternoon and evening. http://www.weather.gov/. To take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
Only KIH alert right now, I guess. WNG 704's turn now. Let me see if it works in here.
Flood watch statement. Flood watch in effect from Monday afternoon through Monday evening. What? Flash flooding caused by where? Portions of New Jersey, including the following areas. Middlesex, Morris, Somerset, York, and Pennsylvania, including the following areas. Eastern Montgomery, Lehigh, Lower Bucks, Wisconsin, Philadelphia, Upper Bucks, Western Chester, and Western Montgomery. When? From Monday afternoon through Monday evening. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of creeks, streams, and other low-lying and cloud-prone locations. Additional details. Slow-moving showers and thunderstorms capable of heavy rain are likely Monday afternoon and evening. www.weather.gov/. Monitor weather forecasts and be prepared to take action if flash flood warnings be issued. Here is the regional weather forecast.